Hi and welcome to Xprint Canvas. I'm going to give you a short tutorial here on how to calibrate your monitor to get the best results from your prints. It's necessary to do this because most manufacturers and different monitors have different color gamuts, and this is why sometimes what you see on screen isn't necessarily what you see come out of the printer. I'm just going to, it's a simple process to do. I'm going to give you walk you through it step by step here so you'll get the best results. So here we go. First of all, click on Start, go to your control panel, best to look at it and switch to Classic View, and then find Adobe Gamma, which should be installed. I'm using Vista here. It should, if you have, it's installed in most Microsoft PCs. You'll find it in XP as well as Vista. So just double click on Adobe Gamma, and here we go. You come to the wizard. It's best just to click the radio button for step-by-step wizard. You can see here that shows you the differences you'll get on some of your screen. This is maybe why some of your prints aren't showing exactly how you'd like them to be, but hopefully calibrating your monitor will help you get the right results. So click on Next. I have in my computer here a script, the Adobe RGB 1998. This is probably the best color space to use because most printers in the digital age work through Adobe. You can click and load and choose from a different number of color spaces, but it's probably best to just use the Adobe 98 color gamut. So as we've had selected that anyway, we'll just click cancel here and go on to next. Okay, there's simple step-by-step instructions here. The wizard gives you, it's pretty easy, gives you what to do yourself. First of all, you have to set the contrast to its very highest value. This is easy. Most computers will have, you can adjust the contrast and brightness of your screen via the F buttons on the top of your keyboard, or you can right click your mouse and go to your Nvidia, however you pronounce that, I'm not sure, and they'll give you, you can then click on Adjust Desktop Colors and Settings and set the contrast to its highest. Then go back to your wizard, and then after that you adjust the brightness to make the small box in the middle here. We'll show you the difference here. If we bring up the brightness here, you can now see the grey area here in the box. You want to get that as close to the black as possible without actually turning black. So what we want to do is bring that brightness down to about 30%. Check the wizard again and you'll see that the grey has almost completely disappeared. So I'm happy enough with that, and we'll go on to the next step. Different monitors use different phosphors depending on manufacturer. It'll read here which you're using, and it's best just to leave it on custom and press and go next. From here you'll see the little box. You want to make this box as grey, fade into the background as much as possible. Here it's completely white and really sticks out, but you want to bring it down to almost completely fades into the background. I'm happy with it about there. And you can if you're using a Mac, you can click Mac default there as well. And next. Okay. Now you want to set whether you want it as a warmer or a cooler white. Best to go to measure here, click measure, then OK, which will bring up 3 grey screens. What you want to pick from here is the most neutral one. This one has a more bluey tinge to it, This one has a more ready ×2. I'm happy with the neutral grey that's on my monitor, so I'll click on it. If you want to click the most neutral grey possible, which in this case is the middle one. So there we go. And now we'll click on next. And now you can adjust the white point depending on how you'll just best to leave it same as hardware unless you're quite an advanced user. Probably just best to leave it there. Click next. Now you can check your before and afters. Here's the before. You can see the screen's quite muted, the colours aren't as sharp. The after, you get a brighter, stronger contrast. I'm happy with that, so I'll click finish. You can then name your profile, so if you ever switch back and want to go back to it, I'll just call it my colour, and we will save it there. And that is us done. Now you can also click apply if you used your NVIDIA control panel. Apply, and there we go, we're finished. Thanks for watching this small tutorial, and hope this has been of some help. If you need any more help, don't hesitate to contact us. You'll find the contact details on the website. If you have any colour management problems or just need any help at all, it's a free service. You can contact us and we'll try and help you out. Thanks very much for listening. Bye.